right, well, it is a little bit of a different view this time than normal. I'm at Paine Field, Seattle, and getting ready to fly back to Charlotte, North Carolina with a buddy of mine and his V-tail Bonanza. It's fun watching other people pull the plane out for a change.
Paine ground, Bonanza 2016 Delta is Regal with X-ray, like to taxi for 16 right.
Bonanza 2016 Delta Paine ground, runway 16 right at Alpha 6, taxi via Delta, Juliet Alpha, verify information X-ray.
16 right, Alpha 6 via Delta, Juliet Alpha, and 16 Delta has X-ray.
Thank you.
And that is a view I don't get very often at my home field. They're all the...
Yeah. Those are all the 737 Maxes that they can't fly. They're literally scattered all over Seattle.
Oh, they're all over the world.
Yeah, but every airport's got probably 30 of them. And down in Renton, where they manufacture these,
yeah,
they closed the employee parking lots so they could park planes in the employee parking lot.
Wow.
And they bus all the employees back and forth. Yeah.
We're 600 feet here, no kidding.
Yeah.
I did not think that. I thought we'd be like 20 feet.
No, 600, because we're up on a plateau.
Okay.
All right, let's go over to tower.
Bonanza 2016 Delta Paine Tower, runway 16 right, Alpha 6 intersection, clear for takeoff, east departure approved.
Clear for takeoff, Bonanza 16 Delta 16 right.
Say goodbye to Paine Field.
Right.
Beautiful sound out there. God, look at that view today.
I think we're going to have to fly, brother. There's a lot of, I mean, we got to get up through all that stuff over there.
Yeah.
November 2016 Delta Roger, clear direct to Great Falls Airport, scale altimeter 2998.
Clear direct to Great Falls, 2998, 16 Delta, thank you. We're clear direct.
All right.
So what mountain is that little guy over there?
I don't know, that might be Glacier Peak.
Okay, we'll go with that. Looks like a glacier in there.
Yeah, that's, my kid's high school was named after that.
No kidding.
Yeah.
250, American 560.
Not bad, 198 knots for 2 hours to Great Falls.
Seattle Center, good morning, Bonanza 2016 Delta, level 13,000.
Bonanza 2016 Delta, Seattle Center, the one entry altimeter 2985.
2985, 16 Delta.
Gorgeous. Change just in 10 miles from what it looked like over the Cascades there to in this big plateau here before we get into the Rockies. Oh, fun.
Now, do you want to stay up here, or should we opt for 1000?
41 Seattle Center, Roger, lower about 2 minutes.
There's no point standing up here if we don't have to.
Yeah. And we are in the Seattle Center, right?
Yep.
Seattle Center, Bonanza 16 Delta with request.
Bonanza 16 Delta, standby. November 49365, Seattle Center, change my frequency 126.1.
Yeah, it's gorgeous out there.
It is pretty. The craziest thing we've...
November 16 Delta, go ahead.
16 Delta, see if we'd like to get lower 1000.
16 Delta, center, maintain 1000.
1000, 16 Delta. Cool.
There we go.
I found a Bonanza over here in Coeur d'Alene, which is
yeah.
like right there.
Oh, is that it right over there?
It's either there or here. It's right by a lake. think that might be Coeur d'Alene right there. Maybe not. We're just not. Oh, never mind. We have to go all the way to Spokane.
I was going to say, we're through Spokane.
My bad.
Yeah,
my
early.
bad. So anyway, so we hop in the car.
Yeah.
And we drive out to Coeur d'Alene. I make a reservation at a hotel on Lake Coeur d'Alene.
Oh, nice.
And this was in May, so the weather's not very nice in Seattle.
Right.
We left there, in like, the rain.
Right, yeah.
Drive through the mountains.
Yep.
Which was terrible. Get over on the other side, so here like around Lake Chelan.
Yep.
And it turns into this.
Gorgeous.
And then you go through this little bit right here.
Yep.
And then it turns into this like rolling grassland, and you go through like four microclimates to get all the way to Coeur d'Alene. It was wild, man.
Let's see, so that is Spokane, Washington. We're on the east edge of Washington State now.
Yep, and if you're not from Washington, you pronounce it Spokane.
If you're from Washington, you call it Spokane?
If Spokane is what you say, I mean, that's how it's, but everybody outside of Washington calls it Spokane.
It's supposed to be Spokane, right?
Spokane, yeah.
Okay. Oh.
It's got an E at the end, so everybody says Spokane.
Oh, I've never said it that way. I've always said Spokane.
Well, maybe it's because you're from North Dakota.
Well, check out those clouds up ahead. We've got the ones to the left. They're kind of jagged and ragged, so they're okay there, but you see how they're starting to curl on the top. And the ones past that, off to the right, you can see how they're getting flatter on the top, so that's the wave starting to push them there.
Yep. Yeah, and
Coeur d'Alene.
And so you see how that little river sort of goes into the lake?
Yeah.
There's a resort right there at the lake.
Oh, okay.
And that's where we stayed.
Oh, cool. Okay.
The weather was so shitty. It's rainy the whole time. And there was a Dodge Viper convention going on at the hotel.
Oh, really?
So there's a bunch of super douchey old guys with like all their Viper jackets and hats and oh my God.
And a bunch of 28-year-old trophy wives?
Yeah, it was hilarious.
Oh, that's awesome.
Sorry, take 280 for Jetlink 440.
That's flight head
Affirmative, flight maintain flight level 280. Copy up to 280, Jetlink 440. United 2360, clear direct to Lake Park Airport, and when you make that turn, it'll be 12 o'clock and 15 miles port inside for the visual.
All right, clear direct to the airport, and you said we are cleared for the visual?
United 2360, report the airport in sight, and I'll have the visual approach for you.
Flight head Lake.
Hey, we have the airport.
November 182 Sierra Salt Lake Center, the Helen altimeter 2993.
That is so pretty.
2993 for 182
And those are some super jagged peaks down there.
Like center, Century and 10 Delta Foxtrot.
Flight like this, you have to kind of wonder, where would I land if we had problems?
Yeah, man, I think you just find as clear a spot from trees as you can and hope for the best.
Yeah, well, they tell you, they find something soft and flat and cheap, and then after that, someplace near someone with a cell phone.
That's true.
As close to the nearest cell tower as you can get it.
Discretion of 12,000.
Right around here, I'm not seeing the fourth of those four scenarios.
Nope. Stand by, have your request.
Yeah, it's wherever you land, it's going to be a very steep landing.
It's going to be entertaining. And a hell of a long wait for somebody to come and get you.
Yep.
Oh, that view right there is just gorgeous with the sun coming through and lighting up that canyon there.
Yep.
Oh, that is so pretty.
It is.
This is the most scenic part of the trip so far.
I feel like the views are way better this time. I don't remember any of this coming westbound last time.
That's gorgeous.
And Salt Lake Center, Bonanza 2016 Delta. We could start down 1000 now if you'd like.
November 16 Delta, descend and maintain 1000.
1000, 16 Delta.
Here we go.
Always American 1045.
Down we go. That's cool. There you go. A little bit of precip on the windshield.
Yep. Get the bugs off.
There we go.
Bonanza 16 Delta, turn left heading 120.
From right?
Sorry, left or right to 120?
Bonanza 16 Delta, sorry about that, turn right heading 120.
Right, 120, Bonanza 16 Delta.
Really? All right,
I know, like, yeah, I'll do a 270, whatever.
If that's what you ask.
Okay. I'm going to go just a little bit further and then I'll get flaps in, otherwise we'll be going so freaking.
Absolutely. Yeah, we don't need. Oh, you put the gear down already. Okay.
I did.
This is Sirius 5 Delta Fox, are you familiar?
Affirmative.
Roger.
And we are not, so.
What's up?
He asked the Centurion if they're familiar with the airport, and he said yes, and we're going to say no.
Negative, Ghost Rider. Okay, we are on the glide slope.
Yep, 2 red, 2 white. Life is good.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and I got to slow down a little bit, get the flaps in. All right. Flap speed. Flaps coming in.
2 red, 2 white. 110.
Flaps out, gear down, mixture, prop set for landing.
On the glide path, short final. Bring your power back a little bit.
I usually go a little fast.
Okay.
No, it's all good. I'm just sorry.
You can land whatever speed you want. It's your aircraft.
I will slow it down.
Coming in over at 100 over the fence is you have a significant margin over stall speed.
Sure. Okay, I'll slow her down.
And more of it. 75 knots over.
Are you really?
Oh yeah. 80 over the fence and down to 76 for final or for. All right, 3 green, red, blue, green, and leave red alone. All right, ready to land. Hold it off. Hold it off. Hold it off. Ah, there we are. Ooh, easy. Oh, it was right down the runway. Look at that. The flag is straight out, right down the runway.
Bonanza 16 Delta, turn left on Alpha 2, remain this frequency, taxi to parking via Alpha.
Left on Alpha 2, stay on this frequency, and Alpha to parking, Bonanza 16 Delta.
And flying a 185 Skywagon, that would be fun.
Yep.
Traffic, 11 o'clock.
Right, there we go.
Welcome to Great Falls, Montana.